How to create a broadcast channel on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a broadcast channel on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, there is a prerequisite that you guys will need to complete before you can create a, a broadcast channel. So for that, you will actually need to have a page with more than 1,000 followers, or if you're creating it on your personal account, you'll need to have also more than 1,000 followers. So if you guys do meet that criteria, this is what you do. First step, open up your Facebook, make sure you're logged in into your page or into your account. Then you can head over to your menu on the bottom right, then tap on your profile icon. And if you're on your personal account, you will need to change it into a professional mode before you do this. So change it into a professional mode. After you've done that, or if you're on a page, it's really simple. Just go to your profile page like usual. Then on here, you will find an option called channels. So tap on channels. So since I don't have 1,000 followers, there is no option for channels. So there you can see channels somewhere around here. Then after you find that, you will then just tap on it and create new broadcast channel. So you'll be prompted to a page like this where you will need to tap on get started. After you tap on get started, all you then need to do is change an image. You can keep whatever the image that you want on your broadcast channel. Then simply name your channel, then tap on create, and you'll have created your broadcast channel. It's basically that simple, and you can send messages in the channel, and this will notify all your followers to join the channels as well. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching, guys. That's how you do it. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.